There have been many attempts to stop me doing social work, attempts to stop me from my destiny. And it was done by a group called Prana International and their associates. It was also done by the Catholic group, Rotarians, and Freemasons. We don't hate them, but we believe that they are part and parcel of the devil's plan to destroy those who want to do good. We are not destroyed. We are not silent. We refuse to be silent. Many things were taken away from me. My house, my car, my money, everything was taken away from me. They even wanted to take away my child, but God in His mercy gave me back my family. Today we stand on the rock of Jesus, who is our protection. We are surrounded by angels who come to our rescue. But today we beg and plead the community today to stand by us and to fight against such people who want to stop us, who have attacked us, who have assaulted us, who try to mentally demean us, lock us up, and deprive us of a voice. We cannot speak or ask for our things. If we were to ring up our mother and ask her, please give us our things, or were we to protest, all hell will break loose. God forbid. So today, even then, when people have tried to stop you from saying what is good or from doing what is good, we still speak up and say, no, this is not right. To take away somebody's free choice, somebody else's will, and just try and mold them into something which they are not, is evil, is wicked. So today I call out to you all to speak up for me, to stand by me, and to protest in every way this dastardly act which was done to me and tried to harm me from moving forward. Physically, I have not been able to go out for walks, not been able to do anything outside the doorposts of my house because of the way we've been surrounded by the enemy, surrounded by people who want to harm us. Recently, our food was drugged in the cashew nuts. I had to call for help. Even the food we ordered from outside made me very sick. Only Jesus healed me and made me well. We believe in the divine healing of Jesus to heal us fully, completely and fully. We are here to serve the community. Let us be conscious of those who have tried to stop us from doing what is good and to help thousands of those whose lives need to be changed. This is the Vedanta of those who are in this group, the Catholics, the Rotarians, and the Freemasons. They want to control the world. They are from the hand of the devil. They are here to stop people from doing good. They are here to serve their own agenda. But we are here to do what Jesus has asked us to do, is to love the world, to give God's love to people, to bring hope and light to those in need. We request you humbly, please support us, understand our need, and remember that we are people who are called of God to serve the community. I humbly request you in every way to grant me your support and help in this manner. Thank you.